Hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to make catch game in Scratch. First thing you have to do is delete the extra costume here. We're going to select this whole costume and delete it. Now we got to make our pot. So we're going to put a slightly large oval. You can make it adjust it to the size you need it to be. This looks good. So now what you want to do is make a smaller oval that's thin, like this. And then you want to make an even smaller oval so that it can go inside of it and make it look like it has some, some inside, I guess. So we're putting it in there. Make it orange tint. So we're adding some orange tint. So that looks nice. So let's go into the coding tab. So first thing we want to do is have a when green flag clicked block. We want to add another block and let's name this settings. This is in the make my block section. So after we add the settings block, we click OK. So under green flag clicked, we add settings. So we have to code settings. So let's add. We have to add 4 new variables. These are gonna be speed. Make sure it's for the sprite only. Speed X. For the sprite only. Y for the sprite only. And size for the sprite only. Okay, so now let's get started. So under settings we put set speed to 10. Then after that we put set speed X to 0. Want to keep this at 0 because it's gonna be changed frequently. Oh, and also we have to name this to pot. So now we can go to the motions tab, set X to 0, set Y to -125. Then what you want to do is set Y to Y. So you go to the motions category, then set Y to Y. Then you want to set size to 150. Then set size to size. So that is going to be, not size, not speed, size. That is going to be our code for the settings tab. And we may add some more stuff later as we go on. So now what you want to do is get a forever loop under this, and we're going to make another custom block called controls left right. Click OK. So what we want to do is make a new variable called keyx. This is going to help us with moving the pot back and forth. Key X. This is going to be for the sprite only. So under this, we want to set key X to key right arrow pressed minus key left arrow pressed. So key right arrow pressed minus, duplicate this, key left arrow press, and you can move this up a little bit. So now we want an if-else statement. If-else. If key X is equal to 0, Then we want to set speed x to 0. So that's when we're not moving. Then if key x is equal to 1, then we want to set key x to, if key x is equal to 1, then we want to set speed x to 10. So we already set 10, so set speed x to speed. Set speed x if key x is equal to, oh, we can also make that an if else. If key x is equal to 1, set it to speed. So we do this so that you could just change the speed up here and not have to go everywhere to change it. So after that, we have to add in the else statement, if key x is equal to -1, we want to move the opposite direction. So we're going to do, we're going to make it so that it joins, we set, oh, not key x over here, we set speed x to the join. We want to go to join, which is right here, the join of negative and speed. So now we have to add control left, right into this, into the forever loop, and then one more thing before it gets to work. So we have to change x by speed x. So now if we click our thing, if we move, the bowl moves too. Thank you guys for watching. Kingkoder signing out.